Okay, so let's talk about achieving supreme sound into the iPhone 11 Pro using the Zoom PodTrak 4. Okay, for this demonstration, you are going to need a male-to-male 1/8 inch. I got the OG iRig, okay, or equivalent. All right. I have a adapter, 1/4 inch adapter, female 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch adapter into that. The lightning male to female headphone jack, and of course the Zoom PodTrak 4. Now I have the iPhone on my mic stand right now, and I'm talking via the native microphone on the iPhone right now. So I'm going to hook all this up, plug that into there. This is going to go into the iPhone, obviously, and you're going to hear the vast difference. Plug this into here, and this on the other end is going to plug into one of the headphone outputs of the Zoom PodTrak 4. Now, what I do want to tell you, well, let me just go ahead and hook it all up, and you'll hear the difference. Okay, so this is the supreme sound going into the iPhone 11 Pro via the Zoom PodTrak 4. And basically the microphone that I'm using going into the PodTrak 4 is a digital reference, DRV100 digital reference. So this is simply how you achieve supreme sound going into the iPhone 11 Pro using the PodTrak 4. Thanks for watching. God bless.